What up, y'all? I'm Poetic, and today I'm gonna go ahead and try the Wingstop, all the spicy stuff that they have. I have the Atomic wings, the Mango Habanero, and then the Cajun. There we go. Atomic, Mango, Cajun. We're gonna try those out. And then I got this is the $16.99 deal for 20 wings. Then I got the Cajun fries that they have here, extra. So we're gonna go ahead and try it, rate it on a scale of 1 to 5, because 1 to 5 is proper. Remember, y'all, 1 to 10 is not bad, but 1 to 5 is the way, in the culinary world you want to rate stuff. So let's go ahead and rate this. If you go to a restaurant, it's 1 to 5. Let's try it out. Let's see how it is. Okay. Not bad. Not that spicy. Spice is probably like, if you're going 1 to 5, I'd say 1.5. It's not actually spicy where you're gonna burn. This is like kind of like white people spicy, where it's like, I have a few friends who are like that, but God, it's a little bit too spicy for me. For people who like spice, this is like, I'd say a 1.5 on spice scale. They're not really crispy, but they're not soft. It's like an in-between, so they're not horrible. The fries, I'd probably rate them a 3, honestly. Okay. Not bad. Not the greatest fries, but they're good. If you like fries that have a little bit of a crunch, but mostly soft, with a lot of flavor, yeah, I would definitely say get it, But then again, remember, my taste is different from your taste. So we're going to go ahead and start with the Cajun ones first. Work our way up to the spice. I believe this is the Cajun one. We're going to give it a try, see how it is. Has a nice amount of feel to it. Definitely hot. I can feel my head actually getting super hot. You don't realize I get hotter than normal, but just by looking at it, I could actually start sweating. Literally, I swear to you on everything. That's how like my body just works. I can see something hot and automatically it starts sweating. Where like my head will start getting wet, y'all. I'm telling you right now. Ooh. These are spicy. Are these not the Atomic? Holy cow. Okay. I'm feeling like dripping wet right now. I can feel it. So I have fissures on my tongue. See those like cracks and stuff? And it makes it so like sweet, salty, sour, spicy. I feel it a little bit more. So if it's something sweet, I taste more sweet. If it's something hot, I taste hot more than normal. Right now, I'm like, I can feel like it's dripping here. If I took a napkin, y'all would be like, oh my God. And what we'll do is a little test here. I have this little cloth here. See, it's just blue. Watch how it gets there. That is good flavor, but it's definitely a lot of heat on the tongue. I'd probably rate that in the terms of heat. I'd probably rate it, I'd say a 4.5. 4.3 on the heat. It's not too hot where you can't eat it, but it's definitely up there. Now we're gonna go ahead and try the Mango Habanero, I believe. I like this. It has a good mango flavor, which is hard to come by. It's sweet, but it has a little bit of kick to it. Nothing too crazy. It's a boneless wing. I enjoy it. I like it. If you're someone who likes sweet with hot, you'll definitely like this. You can taste the mango-y flavor. I wish it was a little bit more prevalent, a little bit stronger, but I do like it. This one, I would personally rate, for someone who really likes mango, I'd say 4.5. Definitely 4.5 just because I do like a boneless wing that has good heat to it, good flavor. It's nothing that tastes like horrible. It actually has a very good flavor to it, so I definitely would rate that one. And then the next one is, I believe these are Atomic. So we're going to try the Atomic. And what we're going to do is, because it looks a little dry, I actually got 3. I got the sauces. I got one of each just to see. Honestly, I feel like the Atomic one might not be as hot as the Cajun one. Ooh, Lord Jesus. So what we're going to do is we're going to try that sauce afterwards. But I am dripping right now. Holy cow. Y'all don't understand. That first one, oh my God, I'm getting hot. What? The sweat is just getting on it. That's insane. That's insane. That's just stupid. That's how hot this is. So let's try this. The Atomic. Maybe those are the Cajun. The guy told me. That's got to be the Cajun. Yeah, I think the very first one was the Atomic one, y'all. I think the first one was the Atomic, which is why I'm like, whoa. Like that one, I like that one. Or probably the Atomic, yeah. That Atomic was good. Actually, yeah, it was very hot though. If you like spice, if you don't like spice like that, stay away from that. But I got the Atomic. as well as the, ooh, that, yeah, that was the Atomic, the first one that I ate, y'all. Okay, so there's the Atomic. We're gonna dip a little bit more into that sauce because I want to see how badly I can handle it. Ooh. Honestly, it has good flavor. For a fast food place to have something spicy, I would rate this a good one. Actually, I'm going to change my mind on that one. I'm going to rate that a 5. In terms of it's a good boneless chicken. Not the greatest flavor. Let's say 4 point, like, not 5. We're going to go 4.6. 4.6 is my official for the Atomic. Atomic with extra sauce. I am sweating balls over here, y'all. I am sweating like, oh my god. Ooh-wee. That is my official thing. Mango habanero, I'd rate about a 4.3. I wish it was a bit more prevalent on the mango. The Cajun are not hot at all. I'd probably rate that a 2. And then the Atomic with extra sauce is better. Without the sauce is not. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm sweating. With it, it's better. Oh my god. I'm trying to show you guys some reaction because they say you have to wait at least 5 minutes afterwards. So it's going to be a decently long video because I want y'all to see that I'm not waiting. I don't do heat that well. I'm learning it. I'm going to do a little bit more. There you go. You're seeing me eat this. And I'm going to wait a few minutes more to let the heat come in. All right, this is way too freaking hot, man. Oh. If y'all could feel, oh my god. Do you have a napkin? Oh my god. Whew. You like my little guy in the back? Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I'm like dying here. My head is just like, oh, I got fucked. That's crazy. Oh my god. I got screwed over in that one. My lips aren't burning, but my tongue is, and that's because of the fissures. It's even worse. So like my tongue is on fire right now, y'all, and I'm sweating. So Wingstop, definitely a fan of the wings. I tried Wingstop in the past. I wasn't a fan of them. I don't know what's changing. It could have been the one I went to, but I'm loving it. Oh my god, I'm sweating balls over here, bro. I can't. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. Y'all know all overall experience, craziness. They were super helpful. It's a brand new Wingstop that just opened in Kent, Washington. Pretty cool, pretty chill. Loving the wings. For boneless wings, they're pretty good. They're not bad. Not the greatest wings I've ever had, but overall experience, the food, everything was really good. I probably rate everything about with the different kinds of wings, how quick they did it, how nice they were to hurry up and do my order. I probably rate the entire experience about a 4.2. Just because, like I said, a few things left to be desired, but other than that, 4.2 for that Wingstop. Thank you all for coming. Oh, try those Atomic wings if you want something hotter. Oh my god. Oh, my voice is changing. Okay, thank y'all for coming. And as always, as I keep sweating and eating, keep on wondering, y'all.